Delkor is a leading manufacturer of case packing and cartoning equipment. We use our extensive resources to assist with optimization of your packaging for both retail display and cost reduction. With a full lineup of intelligent packing technology, plus the expertise to engineer fully integrated packaging systems, Delkor is the leading manufacturer for many spices and canned food providers. Delkor's Performance Series case packer handles a range of containers, from cups, pouches, or cartons, all with quick toolless changeovers between each style, including Delkor's patented shelf-ready Cabrio case, club store-style stackable display trays, and brown box shippers. The Performance Series also features patented intelligent synchronization technology in feeds that will align your product for ideal packing efficiency. The Delkor Tray Shrink Wrapper is able to attach product and corrugate with a temporarily bonded adhesive before being shrink wrapped, creating an array of packaging options. With the ability to form Delkor's patented shelf-ready Cabrio case, club store-style stackable display trays, cartons, and brown box shippers, the Trifecta G-Series former is the perfect match to many of Delkor's advanced robotic packaging systems. Able to achieve rates up to 40 cases per minute, and adjustable cavities offer a great tolerance with a drop-in template design, ensuring changeovers are a breeze, making certain your first case produced is a good case. Delkor's F-Series closers offer a perfect close to a Delkor case packing line. Able to achieve rates up to 60 cases per minute, this machine can handle the high speeds demanded by many manufacturers. A self-tensioning belt, combined with the oversized bearings and shafts, allow for a longer lifespan with fewer replacements and maintenance. Our turnkey palletizing systems offer a great way to tie your entire line together. Delkor can deliver a finished, stretched, wrapped pallet retrievable by an automatic guided vehicle or manned forklift. All Delkor equipment is designed and manufactured in Minneapolis, Minnesota. With 350 plus employees and over 300,000 square feet of production space, we stand ready to provide fully tested packaging systems for your next project. Thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you.